Hello, this is our new Wi-Fi rgbw LED bulb. It's 7 watts and E27 socket. So I will show you how to let it work and how. Our bulb is with the built-in Wi-Fi chipset and it works no need controllers. So you just screw it on and power it on it and power on it. Okay, after power on, you just need download our application. Is this one, MagicHome Wi-Fi, from the App Store and Google Play. Because the bulb will create its own Wi-Fi, so we can find the bulb's Wi-Fi on our Wi-Fi setting. Our default Wi-Fi setting is LED light. This one is this bulb's IP, so I try to connect to the IP. You see, it's already connected. So after connected, just open our application is MagicHome. Here, you can control the bulbs. You can control the bulbs directly. Any color, you can choose any color. And here is the brightness. Here is all white. Here is a built-in model. There are 20 models default. And here is a customized model, so you can create any models and save it. Here is the music functions. You can choose any songs from your phone and play with it. You will see the bulb will change as the beat of the song. And also, here is the timer functions. You can set a time to let the bulb one to turn on and turn off. Like in the morning, you can set 8 o'clock, then it will turn on. Okay. Here, this bulb, I control it directly. Now, I try to set the bulbs to my home Wi-Fi network, my Wi-Fi router. The top left here is setting. You can see the bulb LED is here, and here is a help function. You can click here and know some questions here. Here, try to click here. Here, click the link to wireless router. Now, okay. This one, Info 2, is our Wi-Fi, is our home Wi-Fi. So I choose this one and log in the password. Our password is this password is my router's password. I just confirm it. So you can see the LED device is restarting. Please wait. So I connected to the bulb to my home Wi-Fi. Same way, you can set many Wi-Fi bulbs to one router, your home Wi-Fi network. Okay, after setting, we just connect our Wi-Fi, my phone's Wi-Fi to my home Wi-Fi. You can see Info 2 is already connected. Info 2 is my home Wi-Fi network. Up, we just run the application again and scan. Okay, you can see here is 4 devices connected to my router because this 3 is connected before. I just control this one, LED, any color here, and LED you can rename it. You can rename any LED. Okay, confirm the LED. With through your home Wi-Fi, you can control many bulbs together. Now, I want to set the bulbs to internet cloud. Here is my LED. You click here, and you can see here is the setting. We choose the remote setting. Okay, we just open the internet functions. You can see here is the remote has been opened. The LED is restarting. Please wait. With these functions, you can control the bulbs anywhere in the world. Very far, just with internet. Okay, you can see here is local, here is remote. Now we choose remote. You can see the LED UUU is with this icon. This is the global. Here, you can control it. Okay, now I open my Wi-Fi setting and I close my Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is closed. I just use my 2G internet. Like I'm outside, I just need to add. I just run the applications. I can connect the remote and control the LED UUUUU. Double check. My Wi-Fi is closed. I just use internet. Like I'm outside, I'm outside just with internet. I can control it very far. And if you want to set the bulbs to factory model, just switch on and switch off the bulbs 3 times. Okay, you can see the bulb is restarting. You can see it is right here. It means the bulb is already back to the factory model. So this bulb is with timer functions, any color, dimmable, on and off, and music functions and remote control functions. Internet you can control very far, like you in China, and you can control in USA. Thank you for watching.